very basic guide on how to do a transmission drain and refill on your RC 350. Mine's F-Sport. I don't know if there's any differences in terms of how the pan looks or things like that. I've seen a couple of part numbers that are different pans and they do look different, so just word of caution. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, so I did a little bit of the work already, but as I get under here, there's a few things that you'll need to do. Make sure the car's level. I have 4 jack stands, 1 in each corner, and then I have a jack in the front holding up the front part, just in case. So I've already removed the bolt needed to drain the transmission. It's a 12mm. It's not on very tight at all. You can see the fluid's pretty dark. It's supposed to be bright red. You will need a new gasket when you remove this bolt, so just be wary. This is the overfill valve. Technically, you're supposed to use this all the time, but this is useful for people who have leaks or don't know how much fluid came out. I won't be using that method in this video, but I believe if you take it out, you will need a new gasket. What I'm about to show you is the fill plug. Basically, you need to use some kind of hose or pump to get the transmission fluid in there. It's 24mm. It is hard to reach without an offset wrench. You can accomplish this with a regular wrench, but it may take some effort. Once you remove this, it will also require a new O-ring. You can get all this at the dealership.